Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon and we're going to Manila. And it's also February 14, it's Valentine's Day. And I will say that happy Valentine's Day to all people there, to all couples there. And right now, we just booked already some hotel. But for us, it's not easy to take some Grab because it's wet also.
But we find trike because Grab car not easy to find right now. Okay. We use trike. Hi. Down terminal we going to. Shaira want McDonald's. She want to buy McDonald's. And first we going to McDonald's, and from McDonald's we going to Dow bus terminal. We already in McDonald's. Dow. Oh, many people in McDonald's. Вот Shaira want. Burger. Yeah, for takeout Shaira take. Need to wait. What you order? Burger? Shaira order. Oh, already rain stopped. Good, we're going to bus terminal. Heavy traffic now. We need bus to Avenida because our hotel in Avenida in Chinatown. Avenida. Вот is UST Feel Recto. Where? You ask Shaira first. Avenida bus station. You first check. Have space for seat. Okay, yes. Okay. But maybe need to wait a long time. Can you ask when? Because it's in the bus really cold always. You know why? I will show to you. Because this one cannot close. Not working. Always on. Time now 2:18 and we only going to Manila right now. Home for you. How much are you paying?
Ibang bansa meron ganyan? Ha? Yung ba yung type? Ganyan? Isa na lang yan. Sabihin mo na lang. Si ano na lang yan, si isang rapid dito.